Hi everyone, this is Sylvie with Craft Perfect. Are you ready for the summer? I know once in Taiwan, the Chinese, the summer start with the Dragon Boat Festival, but I know in United States, once after the 4th of July, then the summer really starts. So since next Tuesday is the 4th of July, so I'm going to show you how to make this 4th of July card and the 4th of July treat. So you still have a couple days to make them, so you can pass them out next week. So let's get started, okay? Okay. So this week's hostess code is here. I'm gonna just set this aside. With $50 order, you will get tear and tape adhesive, and no, it's the pop dot. So with $100 order, you will get both of them. So this is this week's special, and you have to place the order with this hostess code. Okay, let's get started. So first, I am making this firecracker, which is actually the lifesavers, and also 4th of July card. I use the same design and same paper, so they look like a set. So let's get started. The paper I'm using called stargazing. This is the set go with that astronaut planet set. So probably a lot of you just think, okay, that's only the card for the kids, or for somebody is like a space lover. So but actually I'm able to use this card to make this project. So this paper, one side is like the sky, and through the camera you can see they have a different background hue color. This one has that purple, and this one looks like it has a galaxy, and this one is a different color like that. And you probably think, okay, you cannot do anything with this paper unless you are doing something with the sky, moon, stars, something like that. But actually, this side is super pretty. See, this one you can see a lot of planet, and I like those bright color. Those green, you can make a lot of cute card, birthday card. And I like this orange, and this is the berry bust, the new color. I feel like it's very close to the rich raspberry, but that's the new color we have. So I'm using this piece for today's project. Okay, so let's make the firecracker first. And I bought this lifesavers from the Sam's Club, so they come in a pack. So this is the size I have, and it's the length of this 3 1/4. So I'm using this of a paper. Okay, so what I'm gonna to do is I'm using this side, so you need to flip over. And hello, Mandy. Hi, Pen. Thank you for watching me tonight. So you're going to put the tape on one end like that. And this is and you want to use your bone folder kind of curve a little bit, so it's easier for you to wrap around the candy. I feel like you can use this with like a laurel candy and the other kind of lifesaver. Just happen to be I have this kind, so I'm using this as example. So you want to start with the side, don't have the tape, and you're gonna to roll, and make sure they are straight, so you know this paper they line up at the end. Okay, so now here they glue and seal. So this part is super easy, right? So now we are making those stars. So if you have the star punch from before, long time ago, which is perfect, you can just use them. So I'm just showing you in case you don't have any of those. So I have two different sizes of star. There's a big star, which is from this beautiful balloons. Is this star, okay? And the small star is from this cracker and treat box die set, and it's from here. So here is where I get my star from, and today I'm prepared, so I already pre-cut some of them. So this, they turn out like that, and the small one, it's cut, it's like 3 in a set. So this is what I'm gonna to use. So what you do is, because the tiny star is so small, easier for me, you just put the glue in the middle of the big star. And you just pick up the paper once and you just lay it down. I don't like to pick up my paper many times. I know sometimes when you make the cards or when you do the picture frames, or a lot of people want to, you know, put so they know where the position, and then they glue. And for me, it's like I cannot glue on the place I putting that way. That's the reason I feel like that's too much work for me. And then once you glue them down, you want to curve them, okay? Because right now you want to glue on here. So if you curve, it will be easier to glue it on. Okay. So then you're just going to put the glue in the back. And you just put on here. So you just randomly. I feel like the 3 star actually will work well. Like that. And how about this one on the top? Okay. Then I am gonna to use the twine. Okay. This cracker and the treat box, it has a lot of these dies you can cut out for the sentiment. So I pick this one. I pick this one because I always like the stitch detail around it. So that's the reason I picked this one, so you can see there's a stitch detail around it. So I cut that out. And with the share a milkshake, there's a celebrate. So I'm just using this. So let's see here. That's a celebrate, and the color I'm using is night of navy. So I am gonna to just stamp it really quick. Okay, and you can see I stamp toward this way, a little bit more toward on this way. I leave some space here because I'm gonna to punch a hole so we can tie this on the firecracker. But if you don't have this small punch from before, you can always use the poker to poke a hole, or so as long as your twine can run through it, and you are good. And this is the 2022-2024 in color Baker's Twine pack, and this color is sweet sherbet. No, I think so. So it's very close to red. I think nobody will even know. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm pick it up and I leave some space, like this long, and I just wrap this around twice, and I leave the same amount, and I am cutting it off. Okay, so in here you just gonna to tie a bow. I'm gonna to loop this one through the hole and tie another bow, and then I guess tie another knot. That's how you say that. And then you can just make a bow. Okay, so this part is done. And now we are making the top part. Okay, so what we're gonna to have is I am cutting this. It's a 2-inch wide and 4-inch long, like this, 4 by 2. Okay, so first one, you want to cut something like I would say you can just do your own judgment. You cut like that, the first piece like that, and then second cut, you will go all the way through. So this is like that. Okay, and the rest of them you just cut, and you leave about 1/2 inch. If you have the French scissor, which one cut, you can cut so many lines. Those kind of scissor, it's a great time to use it. Since this is not very long, so you can just kind of eyeball it. So you just at the end you leave about 1/2 inch. Okay. Okay, so this is what they look like, and we're going to use this tear and tape adhesive again. So you just need a small piece like that and put at one end like that. Okay, so here, remember this piece, I am folding them like that. So now they kind of, so what you're going to do is you are putting this in here and you're going to roll it. Okay, If because you're going to try to roll it into circle, easiest way is you curve your paper first, okay, like that. So you make sure your tail here is out, okay. So like that, and then you just roll it up, okay. So this side is that one you split, had a split end, and then you just keep rolling, and we're going to peel this side, and you just keep rolling it. Okay. So it's look like this. If you have a 3/4 quarter punch, it's great. But if not, you can use a nickel, the size of the quarter, no, nickel, like 5 cents, okay? I think that will be the size, or maybe penny. So, or you can just trace this on the paper. So we want to cut one silver from this bedazzling designer series, the designer, okay, specialty paper, bedazzling. I think at one point of time, this is the free celebration item, but this year they are in the catalog now. They are here, okay. So they are number 6, which is the more dazzle specialty paper, and it's come in 8 piece. Has champagne and gold color, okay. So since I have this, so I'm just gonna to punch it out, okay. And now you need a knife and something you can cut on. So you're just gonna to cut a slit here, and this need to be the same width of what you just cut, okay. So make sure it's open. I show you from the back so you can see better. Can you see? Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to loop this. I guess I need to cut a little bit bigger. Like that. Okay, like that. And you're going to split this. So I'm going to put the glue on the tail, like here. So they can glue it down, okay? Then I am just gonna have to trim the extra, okay, like that. And I am gonna to punch out another white circle. You just put the glue on here and this circle on top of it. So this like a reinforce the top of the fireworks stays, okay. So we just want to make sure everything stay tight. So now you can hold on that and use your bone folder to curve this for the fireworks, like that. I feel like this is not very tight. for some reason. This probably will be the place takes you the most of the time. Okay. And you just curve them toward different directions. Okay, like that. So now you have a top. So let's get dimensions. And you put on top of here. And now is a place to press it down. So now you have fireworks. Okay. So now let's move to the next project, which is this birthday card. So 4th of July always make me think about ice cream, you know, and the barbecues. So I just think, you know, this is a great card for 4th of July. We are using a card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5. This is the standard card size. Okay, I have that card, and I am using the same paper we have here. So this one will be 4 by 5.25. I will have the measurement on tomorrow's post on my website. So you fold this in half. Okay. And this is what's on here. And another die I'm using, I know today I'm using a lot of different dies. So I am just using this countryside corners, which come with this die, and I am using the size of this one. I think is what, the 3rd largest one. Yes, and I cut white, so that's what I have. I already pre-cut, so today I come in prepared. Okay. Then the ice cream part. This is share a milkshake set, and they are not only can cut this milkshake ice cream sundae, and also you can make the ice cream because this one has that waffle. So I'm making this with that. I'm using this die to cut out the crumb cake. I'm not sure if you can see, you can actually see the imprint when you cut. So this is that. And there's one thing look like the cloud thing. This is for the ice cream. So I cut this in 3 different colors: red, white, and blue. Okay. And they even, you can see there's a slit, right? So they designed, you can either put the straw, you can just tuck those in, or there's a spoon, so you can do like that. So once you cut with the paper, so it's super cute, right? The Stampin' Up, they think about everything. And also there's a little cherry, you can cut it off. So, but I'm just using this, very simple. And of course, I'm using this Celebrate from this set. Okay, so let's start. I may need to cut more red. I don't know. Here, So let's do this. I'm just gonna to put the glue in the middle of the star, because the white star is too hard for me to pick up and put the glue in the back. So this is this way is easier for me. Then you just put this white star in the center. Okay. I think 4 should be enough, but let's see. If not, then we will just cut more. Okay. So I kind of put this in the middle, so I know I want to put one like here, so like halfway, you know, like cover up, and maybe some here, like that. And if you want to cut this in half, then you just cut in half. So I am gonna to put this one, ooh, like here, like against the border. So just pretending they are like a randomly. Okay, so this one I am gonna to do maybe like here. Okay, so I don't know, what do you think? I'm just going to put here. Okay, so this is the reason I did not glue down the DSP, so we can trim the star easier, like that. Okay, so now since this piece is done, I'm gonna to glue them on the white card base. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna to glue this piece down. Okay, so this is actually very easy project, right? So with this ice cream, I want to use some crumb cake ink and some sponge. So first I want to fold this cone, okay, like that. And then this side there's a line, can you see? So just fold it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna to shade the edge so it looks more has some depth and more polished. See, if I put this here, can you see the difference? It has some dark accent here. So I'm also doing on this side. Okay, I think if you like rub a little bit, right, you can actually see this waffle more clear. So you don't need to do a lot, but actually it's make it super cute. Okay, so I'm folding right side in, and then I'm gluing this side. I feel like because this side need to be out, because they kind of over a little bit, so that's the reason I choose this way. And I'm putting the glue on here, then you can glue your cone. Okay, then I am putting the red one down first. So I'm just putting the glue on here, and put the red one down, like against the cone here. Okay, so I just push it all the way until you couldn't push in anymore. And the white one, this is how you cut it. I flip it over and I glue on this side. Like that. I'm kind of try to cover this slit. Can put the straw in, and then we put this on the top, and I just flip it back. So this is the way we cut our ice cream, like that. Okay, so this is our ice cream. I am using the pop dot on the back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you put your ice cream on here. And let's use this twine, tie a bow. Like that, okay? I'm just putting a little bit glue on here. You glue here. Okay. So now let's stamp the sentiment. Just like I told you earlier, this is from this set, and I'm choosing this one has the stitch detail. And here again, ooh, Night of Navy ink. It's my cat hair. Okay. So this one, I am just gonna to stamp in the center. If you remember earlier, for the here, the firecracker one, I stamped toward this end, so the top I can tie my sentiment. But this one I'm just going to do in the center. Okay. Since this ice cream already popped out, so I want to put my sentiment here. I am going to put the pop dot just on both ends, so they will not be like a layer over a layer. So I'm putting one on this end, one on this end. And so you can just put this over here. Okay, that's why if you put your pop dot in the middle, they will like the first one I have like bulk up. So this one is much better, okay, according to me, but you can do any way you want. Okay, so here is the cards we have, and those are super easy and quick you can make. So this is the 4th of July treat, and this is a 4th of July card. Like I said, if you place a $50 order with this hostess code this week, until next Tuesday, you will get a pop dot from me. And if you use this hostess code, place $100 order, you will have this pop dot and also this tear and tape adhesive. So this is my thank you gift. So Friday will be the last day for the designer series paper on sale, which is 15% off. And this paper, this beautiful paper, is on sale too. So it's $10.62, I think, after the discount. So if you, before today you don't know what to do with them, and after today you see this beautiful paper, like front and back like this. And with this bright color, they can do a lot of birthday cards because this is very bright color. And especially if you like something like the space star, and this will be a great set of paper to have. Since it's on sale, so it's a great time to get at least one pack for your future project. So tomorrow I will post all the measurement at my website, which is Craft Perfect. Thank you so much for watching me tonight. Hope you like the project I share with you tonight. And have a great rest of your evening and a great week. Have a great next Tuesday is the 4th of July, so I will not see you until after that. So enjoy your summer, have a great holiday, and stay cool. Bye.